What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, it's time we talk about Greenlane Renewables. There's been a couple of new developments that I wanted to share with you all today. Now, for those of you who are new to this channel and have not heard about Greenlane Renewables before, go ahead and check out the videos I've made about them earlier. I'll put a link in the description below for you. In summary, Greenlane Renewables is a green energy company that's an industry leader, but they're currently in the penny stock territory and have a market cap of approximately 300 million. This company is a leading global provider of biogas upgrading systems that are helping decarbonize natural gas. This company has demonstrated strong revenue growth, and the overall demand for their services is growing exponentially. When we look at the 1 month chart, we can see that this company has been in a bit of a downtrend and is down from a high of $2.86. It's no surprise that this is the case, especially when you look at how the overall market has been doing, but I think that this is about to change soon. Greenlane Renewables has had some positive news of late, which I believe should move the stock price up. The first positive catalyst is just a couple of days old when a Haywood Capital analyst said that new contracts and a strengthened balance sheet should put Vancouver's Greenlane Renewables in the fast lane. The global provider of biogas upgrading systems recently graduated to the TSX senior board and signed 2 new contracts in the US, Midwest, and Brazil worth $3.6 million. The transition to renewable natural gas as an essential solution to decarbonize transportation and the natural gas grid continues to build momentum. So it's great to see that Greenlane Renewables continues to secure new contracts. This further increases my conviction in the future of this company. The second positive catalyst that I want to mention here is that Greenlane Renewables has recently received a new price target. Healy delivered an update to clients on Friday where he maintained his buy rating and top pick status for Greenlane Renewables and bumped up his target price from $3.25 to $3.75. Greenlane Renewables has had a busy week. The company graduated to the TSX senior board. It announced the early retirement of a roughly $6 million promissory note set to mature on June 30th, 2021 and signed 2 new contracts worth $3.6 million. The new contracts involve a project in Midwest US for upgrading biogas to renewable gas from dairy operations and an agreement to supply biogas upgrading equipment to Brazil. Greenlane Renewables has had such an amazing 2020 that they've recently been named to the 2021 Venture 50 by the TSX Venture Exchange. So there's quite a few things going on with this company, and it's just a matter of time before the masses start finding out about Greenlane Renewables. And when this happens, you can expect a massive spike in the share price. So what do you guys think about this company as a penny stock? They're securing new contracts every other week it seems. Their revenue is growing. Analysts are increasing their price target for the company. They have no debt. Everything seems to be good. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. That's it from me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.